Hi guys, welcome to my first how-to tutorial on my channel Jav Do It. Today we're going to install an MP3 adapter or MP3 audio adapter to a VW Golf Mark 5 UK model 2005 year stereo. I believe it's the RCD 300, but I could be incorrect, I'm not sure. Anyway, here we have the MP3 audio adapter. It has auxiliary input, micro SD input, USB input, and also a microphone input. It also has a Bluetooth function enabled, which will be enabled, I believe, when I set it up and toggle the fourth switch up or down, one of them. Anyway, let's get into it. I think for this video today, all we need is a T20 drill bit or T20 screwdriver Torx. Alright, here it goes. First of all, you need to unscrew these two screws to the top. After having removed the two Torx screws, you just need to lift this panel up. First, I take the screws out. Lift this panel up. It should pop out. My clips are kind of broken, so it pops out easier than usual. Anyway, and then some of you may have a few Torx screws down here, but some mine are missing. And then the next step is to pull out this panel. You just want to kind of pry it up or tug on it. Okay, so I got it halfway off. Start pulling it up on here. There we go. You can either put it to the side or unplug it. For now, I'm just going to put it to the side. And then there are two screws here, one here and one here. I'm going to take off those Torx screws and then get to this housing and take this housing off. So once you remove those two screws, just take this off, unclips, like so. Then we got two Torx screws here and another two here. Just gotta unscrew those. Alright, once you've unscrewed the four Torx screws, you can go ahead and take them out. I'm correct, the stereo should just pop out or slide out. What you want to do is unplug the aerial. I'm not sure if both these are the aerials, but I know one of them is. Unplug it. You want to unplug everything right here. Once you've unplugged the stereo, you can go ahead and run the cable, the MP3 audio adapter cable, through the glove box to the stereo section. Once you feed the cables through, you'll have the 3 cables here. One is for the ground, and one is for the CD changer port, and the other one's an extra if you have like any other extra things like I do here for the CD changer, like this blue one. Anyways, we take this blue one out. Once you've taken the blue connector out, you can go ahead and plug it into the new socket. Once you've connected the blue connector to the white one, you can go ahead and plug this into the back of the quad lock. And I forgot to mention that you will need a T8 Torx drill bit to screw in this to the back of the stereo. This is the ground wire. You must, and I'm stressed by this, you must put this, or connect this rather, to the stereo for the MP3 audio adapter to work. Otherwise it will not work. We have T8 Torx. We're going to unscrew one of these screws, either this one, that one, or that one, or that one, for the ground wire to go into. I'm going to choose this one. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just going to go ahead and screw the ground wire in first. And then I'm going to put the quad lock in and the aerials, and that's it. So I've connected everything back up. Got the ground there, the quad lock in there, and the aerials and stuff there. And if I want, I can add the microphone in there too before I forget. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so now I've inputted the microphone. Now what you want to do is just go ahead and put it all back. Before you put it all back, be sure to test it and make sure that everything's working. I've tested it. I can't show you the music that's playing because I'm actually recording on my phone, so I can't play the music from there, but it's working. And now I can go ahead and put it all back. That's it for today's video, guys. Please share it, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos coming soon on Jab Do It.